How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the next week, week 7. For this week, we're going to look at reading chapters 10 and 11, and you're going to have discussion board number 4 due. With the discussion board, it's important to focus on having your first post by Thursday, having 2 peer responses, which can be any of the questions that I ask, focusing on in-text citations, and a reference in APA formatting to further develop your work. So that's a key thing to look at in your analysis. So for this week, we're going to be looking at the role of monopoly power and how the role of monopoly power is going to influence decisions that firms have to make. And another thing we're going to look at is pricing power. And what I mean by pricing power is evaluating the role of evaluating decisions that firms have to make when we look at price discrimination, which means charging buyers a different price for the same good, which is legal, but it causes a lot of challenges. So for this week, we're going to be looking at a small town in the Midwest that obtains all the electricity from one company, North Star Electric. Although the company is a monopoly, it's owned by the citizens of the town, all of whom split the profits equally at the end of the year. The CEO of the company claims that because all the profits will be given back to the citizens, it makes economic sense to charge a monopoly price electricity. Do you agree or not with this statement? So given that they have monopoly power and they can charge those particular prices, should they or not? What type of role do you think the government's going to be facing when they have to maybe regulate this? What are the challenges looking at with government regulation? Is government regulation important with monopolies or not? So that's some of the things I want you to bring up. I think you'll find it very interesting if you can focus on those different types of price discriminations, types of regulation that involves with the government, but I think it'll be very helpful in your work. I look forward to your analysis this week. If you need any questions or whatnot, just let me know.